Hello, this is ThinkCreate, and today you join me coding my new scratch game, Franko. Franko was inspired from the old games from the 80s, and yes, this is what I currently got. I'll show you. I've got Franko, as you can see. His head and legs lag behind. That's because they're all clones and I need to somehow know. I wouldn't do something on the code then. What I'm working on right now is the monster. These are the two monsters which I currently have. This sad blob and this blue snake. Wriggly worm. Maybe it's a wriggly worm. Maybe a wriggly, yeah, I call that a wriggly worm. This is the sad blob. So, let's begin. We have to, I want to have at least two monsters which has both different costumes, so I can see what I can do. So, repeating to end key because on end key is just something that I have for now, but I'm going to change it later. So this is render. This is where everything works. When green flag clicked, wait 1 second, broadcast reset and wait. That broadcast is dev 1, and when I receive reset, wait 1 second and broadcast startup having its engine, and if keyboard clicked, if key any pressed, then broadcast move, and that will make Franko move using the when I receive move if up arrow pressed, or move jump, move down, move right, move left. Move, where's the clone motion? All clones are doing this. Okay, now let's go on to the monster. First, I'm gonna bring out the crate clone of myself, so that I have that ready now. So how am I gonna do this? First of all, I'm gonna copy the Franko coding. Here you go. If not costumes that have been changed contains head, then yeah, I should do that. Variables, make a list. Current monster costumes. Make sure I delete all of it when it begins. Now, what did the code do? So, this is what the code did. First of all, let's make a new block. So, and let's call it clone monster. And clone monster will do the same as Franko. So, if costumes that have been changed, if current monster costumes contains monster does not contain monster 1, then set costume to monster 1.1, which is this, and 1.2. These are both the costumes 2.1 and 2.2. And create clone. Now that should. Oh no. You have to set the monster costume because a clone is its own sprite which you cannot access by the. I'm just going to call this the sprite board. The sprite board is all in this sprite. So what I have to do is, so they don't follow the sprites, so I have to do variables, make sure the clones follow the variables. If they don't, I've got something wrong or some weird glitch, which I find very unlikely. Monster 1.1. Monster 1.1. When I start clone, switch costume to show. And let's see. Oh no. Where did I go wrong? Oh, I forgot to add monster 1 to it. So add monster 1 to costumes that have been changed. Yeah. Maybe I have to put it before. Okay, let's do that. Oh, carrot. Oh god. So I have to keep on doing that. Haha, we only got the one. Now all we have to do is give it animation from this to that to this to that. So if costume name equals monster 1.1 or monster 1.2, then change to a random. If costume name equals monster 1.1 or monster 1.2, switch costume to pick random 1 to 2. So okay, now we have to wait for the what are you doing, monster? Maybe I should put in the white. 0.1. And let me just scratch that, remove everything, remove all this, remove this set of color and see what happens now. Not sure what's happening. It's working before. Oh my! Oh! Came on doing that. Silly. Yeah, now it's working. So now this code should be working again. It's now a weird blob thing. So now I'm gonna have to repeat that for monster 2. To 2.1, add monster 2, and repeat all of this code, place it under here, This monster 2.2 or 2.1. Switch costume to 3 to 4. It should be working. There's 2 monsters now. A wiggling worm. Then wait 0.1. Maybe I should just move all this out. This is the costume change. So I'm gonna name this costume change. Let's call it that. Move it here. Now we're gonna do move the movement over here and there. Wait 1.0 seconds and switch to 2.2. Let's test it. It's not wriggling. No. Still have to do it backwards there. Now it's wiggling, but a little bit too fast for my liking. He's wriggling the second monster, the blue worm, but he's not doing anything that I want him to do. So hang on. So let's check. It's too quick. I know what our problem is. We'll do it after 2.1, so it's wiggling, but still a little bit too fast. There you go. No, maybe I should make it. Now let's move on to the movement. Once, two, there you go. Now all I have to do, I want to make the blue one quicker and the green blob slower. So if costume name equals or here, and move 5 steps, move another 5 steps, and it's slow. Now do the same with monster 2. So to change the color, moving, this is 7. It's moving, blue one is moving faster than the green blob. Now I'm done with the monsters. I could add more later, but I'm doing that later. So what else can we add? Oh, it's to rule out Franko's movement. he doesn't stop. I don't know what happened. Why doesn't clone motion? Need to change that. Set clone motion to where? Could just do that. Yeah, so delete, 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 delete. Set clone motion to jump. Clone motion to down. Set clone motion to right. And set clone motion to left. Let's see what that does now. Still, what's wrong? Maybe I move this. Then the broadcast move. So when I save engine, if keyboard click, if a key any press, then broadcast move. He receives move if key up pressed or W key pressed. Now I'm just gonna I'm not sure what the problem is. It's not doing it fast enough. It's not doing it at all. Why not? Well, that's all for today. I'm gonna see you next. I hope I'm gonna see you next time. I'm still gonna work on Franko later, but I'm just gonna fix the set motion, the clone motion off screen, so off camera, so you get to see the finished product later. But if you want, but I released this one, Meet Franko, which is cool, as you can see. Yeah, cool. Meet Franko. Yeah, his movement is working. Started started when I'll do it later. This was ThinkCreate. My profile is Bongo32. Yeah. Meet Franko, meet Franko. Yeah, so bye.